Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Friday, which means there is a new unboxing video and first impressions coming your way. Today I am unboxing the Animal Allies Oracle by the one and only Jessica Swift. Jessica has got the most delicious freaking fabrics. Oh my god, I can't even. And I've actually been following Jessica on Instagram for years, and I saw her painting the progress of this beautiful Animal Allies Oracle deck, and she reached out to me, and so we are going to be looking through it. So it comes with a little postcard that said, "Thanks so much for checking out my deck, Anthony. I hope you love it. Look forward to staying in touch. Best, Jessica." It's got a beautiful, which I put upside down. Beautiful. Be bold. So it's Jessica. And it's all wrapped in pink. I love this color so hard. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap. As you know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, I'm going to swap over the camera. We're going to have a look through the contents of what's in this hot little red, hot pink box, and look through the art and have a look at what animals have been included in the messages, and give my first impressions. So let's check it out. Okay, so now we're going to look through this beautifully wrapped deck, can I just say. I feel bad when I have to oh, it's so nicely wrapped. Oh, the hummingbird. I love hummingbirds. I saw my first hummingbird in real life in Peru, and I nearly flipped it. I was so happy. Beautiful box. This is a beautiful hard box. This is, oh, gorgeous. So wild energy is all around you. Jessica does the most beautiful, as I said before, fabrics as well. So not surprising that this deck is so beautifully designed. Just gonna get the plastic wrap off. Okay, and then we have here, "You are not alone," in a nice uncreepy way. I feel like this is not like "you are not alone," weird, like, you know, what's it called? Horror movie way. And we have a fold out. I'm not going to go through it all because I want to have a look at the deck first, but we have a fold out for the meanings. Animal Allies. Okay, so a little bit of how to use the deck. So we have a card here on how to use the deck. Okay, a little bit about the teacher resources, bibliography and gratitude. Okay, and then we get into the deck. So this is the back, which is lovely. Need to make sure, I'm like looking at it not through the lens of the camera, so I need to make sure that you can see it. Okay, so the card stock. So we have, the size of the deck is a pretty standard Oracle deck, so like the similar size of Hay House cards. The card stock is 350 GSM. It's that beautiful matte finish. It's not gilded, which again, I mean, this is just all stuff that I state as a fact when I'm going through the deck. So now we will, I mean, I love the feel of that card laminate. So pretty. Okay, so alligator. Ant. As you can see, there's really beautiful borders. I know some people aren't a fan of borders. I do not mind them at all. Armadillo. Now I also know that Jessica had the art for the originals available on her website. I'm not sure if she still does, but she did. Oh, badger, look at the little crown on the badger. I love it. cat. Bear. These are so beautiful. I mean, I really love her art style. Beaver. Oh, one of my favorite ones coming up next. Take a hot stab, everybody. Bee. Beetle. So there are 60 cards in this oracle deck, so it's quite a lovely number of cards for an oracle deck. So you're getting a good whack of cards here for this bighorn sheep. So funny, in I don't know what kind they are, like what kind of mountain. I think it's probably a mountain goat, not a sheep, but they lick the pavement in the Rockies. It's really funny. Boar, they want the minerals, I think. Buffalo. Butterfly. Canary. Beautiful yellow canary. That's something that you see a lot in oracle cards. Cheetah. Really gorgeous. Coyote or coyote. What do you say, coyote or coyote? I say coyote. Crab. These are so gorgeous. Crow. Deer. Dolphin. Dragonfly. Really pretty. Sitting here like admiring the beautiful artwork eagle and being just like slightly jealous that I'm not that I'm not that talented with a paintbrush. Elephant. That's gorgeous. I love elephants. Fox. Oh, another one of my favorites is coming up. Froggy. I love frogs so hard. Little green tree frog. Why? I just really do. Hawk. Gorgeous. Horse. Hummingbird. Jellyfish. I love that there's jellyfish is included. It's not always, again, not an animal that's often included in oracle decks. Kangaroo. Makes me a little bit homesick. Good old kangaroo. I kind of want to see what they say about kangaroo. I'm going to pop that there. Just want to have a quick squiz. Lizard. Monkey. Call my kid a cheeky monkey. I'm sure I'm not alone in that with parenting. Moose. Moose are so big, let me tell you. I've only ever seen a moose at the zoo here. I've tried. I went to a national park filled with 5,000 moose and I didn't see one. They're very, very shy animals, but they have very, very long, lanky legs and they're very blinking big. Moth. Mountain lion. Get those here. Or a cougar. Cougar. Mouse. Octopus. Possum. Oh, another one of my favorites coming up. Otter. They're so freaking cute. Just want to cuddle them, even though they smell so bad, like they're so fishy. Makes sense, right? Owl, another one of my favorites. Rabbit. Beautiful. Jessica's done such a beautiful job with this artwork. Raccoon. Trash pandas. Sorry, Guardians of the Galaxy. I can't help but think. They're so freaking cute though. I see them all the time around here and I just want to like cuddle them, but I think, oh no, they'll probably scratch my eyes out. And they're massive. And they're so cute. Rat. So Jessica has included animals from all different different locations around the world, like salmon. So the salmon is a part of like the Celtic animal, part of Celtic animal astrology. It's also part of Native American or First Nations as well. So there are a number of animals that have different cultures that have place importance and symbology on them. Scorpion, and have myths and magic around them. So I like that there's a number of different, and again, scorpion is another animal you don't often see in decks, so I quite like that. Shark, I'm sure the image alone is enough to give some people stress. My sister does not like sharks for one. I just think of Bruce from Finding Nemo. Fish are friends, not food. But great white sharks especially are incredibly intelligent beings. Skunk. Oh, sloths. I love sloths. I've seen a sloth. They're up close and personal and they are very, very cute. Snail. Another animal we don't see a lot in decks but that I love. Little Wembley. Snake. Spider. Like I love the medicine of spiders, of like the meaning of them, but oh god, don't like spiders. Squirrel! Ooh, ooh, squirrel! They're also extremely cute. Squirrels and chipmunks. I still get excited when I see them. Starfish. Such stunning art. Swan. Tiger. Turkey. Turtle. So cute. Vulture. And whale. Oh, we got more. Whale. And of course, wolf. Wolf. I actually want to see two. So I pulled out kangaroo, and I also wanted to see what whale has to say, because it's interesting that Jessica's chosen the sperm whale, because sperm whales are one of the only, well, there's a few like killer whales and things like that, but sperm whales are hunters. They their food is like giant squid, unlike humpback whales or a lot of the other whales where they don't actively go and hunt. These will, so it's an interesting choice for whale, which I love. Song, sound, voice, creativity. Dive deep into creative waters to awaken your imagination. That's another thing about the sperm whale. They dive really, really deep to get their prey. But yeah, it's an interesting choice for which whales that Jessica chose. I kind of like that because you don't often see a sperm whale as the whale of choice. It's usually like a humpback whale or something like that, a blue whale or something. So I really like that. And then what do we have for kangaroo? So the handout is in alphabetical order. Kangaroo only moves forward, never backwards. Call on kangaroo to help you gather the strength and stamina to continue and accomplish what you aim to do. Remember, moving forward continually is all that you have to do right now. Let this be a reminder to help you through a situation in life with ease and creativity. I like that. I'm going to kangaroo, so I wanted to see what kangaroo had to say. So this is a beautiful deck. I mean, I have a few animal decks, and for those of us who work with a number of decks at, you know, any given time, like at the moment on my reading table, I have like 20 decks out that I use on a daily basis, and then I rotate them. It's always nice to have different decks out, and I always have at least 2 animal decks out. So I'm looking forward to this going into my rotation. I wait until I've unboxed them before I put them into rotation. They shuffle really easily with that beautiful matte finishing. They shuffle really, really, really well. Just a nice beautiful shuffle there. And I've already picked a couple, so I just wanted to see how they go. I will pop a link as to where you can get this beautiful deck by the very talented Jessica Swift in the link below. Sorry, in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching and for helping me spread the love for indie creators.